to NSO ZW, the show with the most of the goofy is the host. My name is TAZZY, and today's episode of Entertainment, we're going to be talking about 30 and reggae, and Father's Dream, my keys, Nemurizo, and name drop, baby. Okay, so first of all, my bandit. Yes, Secular's just turned 30 years, and what a better way to celebrate this milestone by doing what a musician does and loves best. Yes, that's making music to celebrate his birthday. What am I talking about? Well, Prisoner number 224 just dropped a reggae album to celebrate his 30th birthday, and shush, I'm loving it. Man, I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. Woo! Okay, so the whole idea was to make like a concert, and then COVID happened. COVID-19 is a new disease. It messed up everything, man. But this album is amazing. It's got like 10 tracks and one bonus track, and it's produced by Simplex, Kuto, Oskidi, Marcelo, Laziti, Cash Leaves, Ayati, and Timan. Oh man, what a way to celebrate your birthday, man. We're loving the album, we're loving the songs. The whole concept of it, it's amazing. Her birthday fair, man. Hey. We just have to wait for 40 years. But hey, man, shout out to you. Okay, speaking of new music, our legend Mono Mukundu has just announced that he's done with the mixing and mastering of his son Takakunda's debut album. Takakunda is dropping his first album, and man, woo, I'm loving the album art. It's just that art. It's art all over. Legendary. So it's titled Chronicles of the Culture Kid Mutema. Hey, Takane Machinda is releasing this one on the 25th of August, and boy, I cannot wait. This is legendary, legends on fingerprints and whatever. Whew. I love it when a legend comes together with his son and makes legendary stuff, like mentoring each other and whatever and stuff like that. It's just amazing, man. And man, it's worth the wait. Moving on, we just got information that Novi Keys and Andy Murizo did a collaboration, and the song is titled Tandara. Man, why couldn't you just call it Tandara? Hey, anyway, it's dropping month end. Mnozia, malenlo daga mirra marie rent and Novi Keys always comes nice. Goreno topiwa notice jet. Topiwa notice a noise jet about woo. Okay. In other news, Buffalo Soldier is thinking of removing the soldier from his name. Here's Buffalo Soldier. How can you be Buffalo Soldier without the soldier? I mean, in a tweet that he just posted, I think I want to remove the soldier in my name and put it away. No, and put it away. Anyway, my name is TAZZY. The show with the most of the goofy is the host. Like, share, subscribe, and show some love. Tezzy out.